Did you know your brain can literally explode with phantom sounds that don't exist? Picture this. You're sleeping peacefully when suddenly a massive bomb blast tears through your skull. You bolt upright, heart racing, checking for damage or calling police about an attack. But there's nothing there. Welcome to exploding head syndrome. This terrifying condition hijacks your auditory cortex during sleep transitions, creating sounds louder than jet engines inside your head. Patients hear gunshots, explosions, or crashing metal that feel completely real. The brain misfires so violently that people genuinely believe their house is under attack. What makes it worse? The episodes become more frequent and intense over time. Some victims endure multiple phantom explosions every single night. Your auditory system essentially becomes a sound bomb that detonates randomly, jolting you awake in pure terror. The most disturbing part? There's no cure for this neurological chaos. Your own brain becomes the enemy, attacking your peace of mind with explosions that never happened.